Today, we're diving into how to use Mailchimp's and email landing pages to boost your email marketing game and make your campaigns even more engaging. You might be wondering how this feature can help your business or project. Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to use this powerful tool step by step, and I promise it'll be worth your time. First, let's talk about what Mailchimp's and email landing pages actually are. This feature allows you to create landing pages directly within your email campaigns, so your subscribers don't have to leave the email to take action. This keeps them engaged and increases the chances they'll follow through on your call to action. Next thing, let's move on to setting it up. When you create an email campaign in Mailchimp, you can easily add in an email landing page by choosing the option from your campaign builder. It's simple and intuitive, just like you would add a regular link, but with a twist. You can insert a form or button that opens up the landing page right there in the email. This can be a sign-up form, product details, or even a video embed. The key here is that your subscribers can engage with your content without leaving their inbox. The third thing you need to know is customization. You can customize the look of these landing pages to match your branding. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to change colors, add images, and tailor the design so it fits seamlessly with your email style. The goal is to make it feel like a natural extension of your message. Now, let's get into tracking. Once your email landing page is live, Mailchimp allows you to track how many people are interacting with it. You can see how many clicks and submissions you're getting directly from the email, which makes it easier to see what's working and where to improve. This data is crucial for optimizing your future campaigns. The next thing to mention is mobile optimization. Since most emails are opened on mobile devices, Mailchimp automatically ensures that your in-email landing pages are fully responsive. This means whether your subscribers are opening your email on a phone, tablet, or desktop, your landing pages will look great and function perfectly. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. You can use A/B testing with Mailchimp's in-email landing pages. Test different versions of your landing page or call to action button and see which one gets better results. This way, you can fine-tune your strategy to get the best possible response from your audience. Finally, as a special bonus for watching, we've partnered with Mailchimp to offer an exclusive free trial, so you can start using their in-email landing pages right away. Just click the link in the description below to claim your extended trial and start creating better, more engaging email campaigns today. So there you have it. That's how you can use Mailchimp's in-email landing pages to level up your email marketing. If you found this helpful, make sure to grab your free trial through the link in the description below and start boosting your campaigns.